Hello, as we all know that waterproof microswitches are widely used in people's daily life or industrial production and are particularly widely used in the control of electric guns of new energy vehicles, such as car seats and door locks in auto parts and equipment. Traditionally, the waterproof switch is connected to a PCB circuit board. The resistance is welded on the external PCB board to switch output signal of different resistance when it's turned on and off. However, welding the resistance on the external PCB board increases the volume of the electronic device. The installation of electronic components on the PCB board is more complicated, as well as the IP67 protection level of the external PCB part in structure and high cost. After the structural design, our company has rapidly demonstrated with professional engineers. Based on G303 series structure, we successfully developed a small PCB board in the switch and soldered resistors on the PCB board to make the switch on and off. Switch components that generate different resistance signal at the same time. The resistance value of the resistor can be customized to meet the requirements of other customers for output resistance signals of their circuits. The G303 inner chip resistance switch is used in the charging gun industry, which can save the charging gun's internal space and save the cost. It is a necessity for the development of the charging gun industry. To meet the massive demand in the market, our company has caused magnetic welding technology to solve the production problem. The position and welding time of the magnetic soldering tin can be adjusted and energy-saving monitoring. The consistency of the solder joint is good. The surface of the solder joint is smooth and complete. The quality is reliable, high welding efficiency, and it can be supplied continuously. Thanks for watching.